How great leaders inspire action. That's the TED Talk video I decided to review by Simon Sinek. My name's Eric Garcia for the October 2013 term. Let's dive in. To start things out, Simon really engages the audience from the beginning by asking them some pretty thought-invoking questions. One of which was, why is it that Martin Luther King was the leader of the civil rights movement when there was plenty of other well-spoken people and auditors that really knew what they were doing? Why was he the one? He then continued to keep the audience attention by really enunciating and articulating the points that he was trying to get across. I think Simon really followed the TED Commandment 1 of trying to create something new, because he introduces a theory called the Golden Circle. This theory is one of which that I've never heard of before, and it's something that definitely makes a lot of sense and is simple enough for you to basically take home and remember. Another TED commandment that he really takes advantage of is making complex thoughts and theories simple to understand by giving you basic examples that are really easy to comprehend. I think Sir Kendrick Robertson and Simon had a lot in common when they were engaging their audience. Sir Robertson definitely engaged the audience in a more comedic way, whereas Simon did it in more of a thought-provoking way to where you were really wanting to focus on what he had to say. Overall, I'd give Simon a 4 out of 5 for his presentation. He did a great job, but I think there's always a little room for improvement. And at certain points that I found to be something that I would like to hear a little bit more about, he kind of breezed over and didn't really go into depth. After watching Simon's presentation, something I really took from it in engaging his audience is that's exactly what you have to do to get the audience attention, is to engage them. You have to make it more conversational. You have to ask them questions. You have to get them involved. And then on top of that, you have to articulate the points that you're trying to get across. One tip that I can give to my fellow classmates here in public speaking is, I think it's not the best to leave pauses throughout your speech, but at certain points when you're trying to make a point, it's okay to leave a few seconds of silence. With that, guys, it's been great, and I look forward to the rest of the class. Take care.